Hey guys, Super Ultra here. Today we're doing another Yu-Gi-Oh opening. Today we'll be opening up the Yu-Gi-Oh Speed Duel Xbox Duels of Shadows. So basically, it took me a while to pick this up because reasons because I don't really care, but hey, why not? I just picked this up because it was on special. This is on sale, so why not do a video of it? I already done like the I kind of like skipped some other speed duel boxes, but yeah, let's open this up. And here's the Secret Beast cards. I'm gonna do these last because, but yeah, here's the playmats, just like this one here. But yeah, I'm guessing this is I guess this is Jaden's evil hero deck. But yeah, so we'll do this one last because we'll do these first. So these are all the skill cards because I'm not going to use these in my decks because there's a lot of reasons. I'm not going to explain these cards, I'm just going to show you. A common shining flame wingman. A common shining flame wingman. Cyber dragon. Alternative art. Nightmare wheel and some of the spirit. Yeah. But yeah. That might go in my spare card collection. But yeah, let's start off with this one. So I guess this is the girl's vampire deck, I believe. Vampire, a zombie type deck. Yeah, it's the this is where's the other lid at? It's okay. It's her deck. This is her deck. But yeah, Vampire Lord and all that. Open zombie. Classic cards. I think this is Amazon monsters. I think this is her deck. Yep, this is definitely her. Okay, I think I know who this deck is. I definitely know whose is. I know who this deck is. This is his deck. This is his. And yes, I know my Yu-Gi-Oh. Some of these cards are freaking. And Legacy of the Duelist, or whatever it is, these cards are so annoying to duel against with Jaden's deck. Okay, this card is absolutely annoying. We got double. That's a Yugi card. Put that to the side. But yeah. So here's Jaden's teacher's deck. Sword release, I need that for my Kyber deck. I think this is I don't know whose deck this is. I don't remember whose deck this is. Oh, this is the Secret Beast. This is the Secret Beast deck. I'm also gonna put those to the side because I'm gonna put them in my Jesse deck. Okay, this is okay, I know this is his deck. But yeah. Yep. I swear to God, I have so many copies of Wall of Destruction. Now for my favorite search at the Jaden Yugi Supreme Evil Hero one. I think the Red Eyes one's in here too. So if you see any cards going here, that means that they're going in my going in the deck, or so we got Evil Hero, Melissa's Edge, Avion, Pistimitrix, Clayman, Sparkman, Wildheart. It would have been nice to have the alternate arts for these guys for here, but yeah, what can you do? It's got Evil Hero, Inferno, Cyber, whatever that is. Okay, we got Dark Fusion, Dark Clawing, this is basically Miracle Fusion, Evil Mating, Dark World Lightning, Super Polarization, a really, really good reprint, Hero Signal, Dark Ill, and Wild Earth. Other cards, we've got Evil Hero, Melissa's Fiend, Evil Hero Inferno, and Evil Hero Inferno Wing, Evil Hero Wild Claw, Evil Hero Dark Gaia, Evil Hero Lightning Golem. I'm guessing these are his Evil Hero cards. Yeah. Put those aside. Put that there. We got Red Eyes Darkness Dragon, Red Eyes Black Dragon, Luster Dragon, Luster Dragon 2, Baby Dragon Chick, Red Eyes Wing, Black Metal Dragon, and like all that. Swing of Memory, Dragon's Rage, Negate Attack, and Red Eyes Spirit. And now for this one. Let's see what rares we got. Because I'm definitely going to put the secret beast cards in my Jesse deck. Because he did use them. Because well, technically you Bell used them. But who cares? Okay. We got my favorite Secret Beast. Yep, basically this is a version of Wing Dragon, Slife the Sky Dragon. And Got Vampire, Ray, Cyber Dragon, Crow, Veil of Darkness, and Mestal. Well, these are not the frickin' ones I wanted, but I got 3 of the Secret Beast cards now, so I can put these in my Jesse character deck. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this opening, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.